Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to use Deepseek AI. So once we are done with the downloading and the installation of the app, so I'm just going to walk you through some few steps on how to use the Deepseek AI. So tap on the Deepseek AI on your phone. There you can see the interface, almost the same with ChatGPT, the same outlook, but there is clear difference between the two. Talking about the Deepseek is way too faster than ChatGPT because the speed at which this AI runs is nothing to compare with the ChatGPT. But looking at the design, the way it was programmed, they almost have almost everything in common, but a little bit different. And this is way more powerful than the ChatGPT. So we can also try a couple of things out on the app. For example, the chat history option, which is almost the same with ChatGPT. Then the profile icon, the placement of the profile is almost the same with the ChatGPT. So if you want to access your profile, you tap on the profile name, then it will bring out the in-app settings, almost the same with ChatGPT. This is the line of arrangement of ChatGPT, but keep it in mind that this is not ChatGPT. This is way more bigger than ChatGPT. This is way more faster, more powerful, and more reliable than ChatGPT. So you can use the search bar right here, ask any questions, like I'm just put in a single questions, which is can you teach me programming? Right, so let's ask. Then you'll see the speed at which this process the questions compared to ChatGPT. ChatGPT takes more time just to generate the questions. You can see the speed. You can see the speed of at which it's moving. This is awesome. You can see the way it analyzes thought and bring out the key insight. You can see, for example, Python can also trying to analyze the programming techniques for me. And also you can use this plus icon right here at the down part of the screen just for you to add an attachment. If you want to add a photo, or probably want to add an image, OCR, and then you want to add a document, you can simply do that. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.